So here I am, I'm in Lithuania, I'm in Kopa, and I'm printing my book, which is called When in the Lone Star State. This little guy, that's right, because I printed that here too. So here we go, so in the background you can see that's the Heidelberg, there's the guy, he's loading in one of the plates, or is he taking a plate out? Either way, that's the guy printing my book. Now, this is how it comes off. All the sort of lots of pages together on one large sheet, and then they're chopped down, and that's how your book's made. And obviously he's checking it for quality with the wet proof that we printed previously. And yeah, all good, going really well. Looks absolutely amazing. But one of the sheets, some of the photos are coming off a little bit dark. And the thing is, once you're in this printing process, you can't change individual images. You'd have to make a complete new plate to print from. Funnily enough, all the dark photos, a lot of the night ones, were on the same side, and he was able to reduce the black by 10%, and boom, check it out. We've got this nice sunset visible now, a bit more detail here. This little guy, he was kind of lost in the darkness, but now look, you can see him there, it's quite nice. So yeah, so far, so good.